Are you looking to start your vlogging journey in 2025? In this video, I will give you my top 5 best beginners vlogging camera in 2025. So guys, before anything else, if you're new to my channel, if you like photography, if you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video tutorial, and comparison. So without further ado guys, let's start now. And guys, before we jump into the topic for today, I just want you to share my experience to Dar Marafie Farm Kuwait. So if you want a short family road trip vacation or a weekend's relaxation with your family and friends, I highly recommend to stop by in the Dar Marafie Farm. So you can enjoy peacefully and great environment. And you can enjoy also the slide rink inside the Mark. The slide rink is a skating rink inside the Dar Marafie Farm that cater kids and adults. And while your kids enjoying the skating rink, you can sit and relax to the massage chair or play with the tabletop air hockey or enjoy taking 360 selfies. And get ready for unforgettable experience in NegoChi, a shooting range perfect for first-timers, amateur, and even pro. So if you want to try something new, visit here in Dar Marafie Farm Kuwait and experience the slide rink and NegoChi. For more details, check the description in this video, guys. So guys, let's start now. First on my list is the Canon PowerShot V10. Guys, this one, the Canon PowerShot V10 is around $429 US. It's good for vlogging and live streaming with 20.9 1-inch CMOS sensor. It's Ultra HD or 4K up to 30 frames with a Full HD up to 60 frames. You have already 19mm equivalent wide-angle lens. Webcam camera compatible with USB-C support. It's you have also 460,000 dot, 2-inch touchscreen LCD, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, vertical capture capable, and built-in 30 degrees stand. So this is the first in our list, the Canon PowerShot V10. Yes guys, perfect for vlogging. Next is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Yan. So the very popular DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is around 519 and 669 for the combo. So you have 3-axis gimbal stabilizer with 1-inch CMOS sensor, up to 4K 120p resolution, 2-inch rotatable screen, smart horizontal and vertical shooting, D-Log-M and 10-bit support, active track 6.0, up to 166 minutes of battery life, USB-C PD cable included, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. So that's our number 2 camera. So the next camera for our list, the number 3 is the Sony ZV1 Mark II. So yan guys, again, the Sony ZV1 Mark II is around $798 US. So with 20.1 megapixel 1-inch Exmor RS BSI CMOS sensor with a wide angle 18 to 50 equivalent of lens, f1.8 to f4 lens, Ultra HD or 4K 30p video with HLG and S-Log 3 and 2 gammas, 3-inch slide flip out touchscreen LCD, initiative touch focus and exposure control, bokeh switch and face priority AE, cinematic vlog settings, SNQ shooting mode, product showcase settings, compact, travel friendly from factor. So this is our number 3 vlogging camera is the Sony ZV1 Mark II. So next on our list, number 4 is the Canon R50. Yan guys, the Canon R50 it's around $749 US with a kit lens of 1845. The specs is 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C or crop sensor CMOS sensor with DigiX image processor, Ultra HD 4K 30p video recording with dual pixel CMOS AF2 with 651 focusing points and 2.36 million dots electronic viewfinder and 3.0-inch 1.62 million dot body angle touchscreen, 15 frames electronic shutter, movie for close-up demos mode, vertical movie mode with 18-45 kit lens. Yeah. So this is the number 4 camera on the list is the Canon R50. So if you can see guys, all the camera that we select for vlogging have articulated touchscreen. Articulated screen. So at least you can see yourself while you're vlogging if you are already in frame or not. So all perfect exposure. So the last on the list is the Sony ZV E10 Mark II. Again, the Sony ZV E10 Mark II. It's with the 1650 kit lens is around $1,098 US. It's a 26 megapixel APS-C XMOR-R CMOS sensor with Ultra HD 4K 30 and Full HD up to 120 frames. You have already 3.0 touchscreen LCD, vertical support, 759 points focusing points, fast hybrid pace detection, up to 11 frames per second shooting burst mode, and ISO for 100 to 32,000, real-time AI, AF, and tracking, background defocus, product showcase, focus breathing compensation, directional 3 capsule mic, and windscreen, and you have already 1650 kit lens on this Sony ZV E10 Mark II. So this is the top 5 that vlogging camera for starting if you want to start your vlogging in 2025. If you have already your mobile and if you want to upgrade from smartphone to a professional camera or vlogging camera. So this is the top 5 best vlogging camera in 2025. So ayan guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, this is only my opinion. This is disclaimer. This is only my opinion, and this is most of the time that customer ask here in our showroom. So again guys, if you are a content creator, filmmaker, and YouTuber, vlogger, content creator, and filmmakers, and if you like this sound, and if you are searching for a perfect background sounds and sound effects to your video, check this one guys, the audio. Audio. The audio is a perfect platform to download for your needs regarding audio. If you are again searching for a perfect background sounds for your video, and it depends on your style of your video, vlogging, wedding, or any types, filmmakers, and special effects, audio, and check this audio guys. So again, you can download all new fresh additional audio from audio, sound effects from audio, or background music from the audio. So yan guys, if you want to avail 70% off, you can go to my description, click the link, and you will get a 70% on my promo code. Just type my promo code and you will get again the 70% off for the Audio Pro in 1 year. So yan. Again, if you are searching for an audio, perfect background music, and sound effects, check this one guys, audio. So guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. Again, if you want to check the price and availability for these 5 cameras, again, the price that I mentioned earlier about this price, it depends on your local market. So again, whatever I mention, each price, it will be depends again for your local market. Again, if you want to check the price and availability, check to our website www.abworld.com. So yan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay!